What keeps a fleet reliable, safe, and compliant over time? A vehicle maintenance log creates a structured record of inspections, servicing, repairs, preventive maintenance, and operational issues across a vehicle's lifecycle. When you track maintenance clearly, you support longer vehicle life and better operational efficiency. Vehicle maintenance logs are used by fleet managers, drivers, transport companies, logistics teams, and maintenance departments. They help improve reliability, reduce breakdowns, and maintain compliance with safety standards. Common entries include oil changes, fluid replacements, brake and tire inspections, battery maintenance, engine servicing, scheduled inspections, repair history, mileage records, and service provider details. Poor maintenance tracking can lead to unexpected breakdowns, higher repair costs, safety risks, and operational delays. Organized records also support audits, warranty claims, and regulatory inspections. With consistent preventive maintenance, you can reduce downtime, improve vehicle performance, strengthen safety, support compliance management, and control costs through proactive planning. A strong log begins with vehicle information such as registration number, make and model, vehicle identification number, department assignment, and driver details. It also tracks preventive maintenance like oil changes, tire inspections, brake servicing, fluid top-ups, and air filter replacements. Odometer readings, service intervals, upcoming schedules, and overdue alerts keep timing clear. Maintenance logs also record labor costs, parts costs, emergency repairs, routine servicing, and warranty expenses. Inspection and safety sections track tire condition, brake performance, lights, fluid leaks, steering, and safety equipment checks. Documentation includes service invoices, inspection reports, warranty records, repair receipts, and compliance certificates. Paper-based systems often create lost or incomplete records, missed service schedules, delayed reporting, inconsistent documentation, and limited visibility across multi-vehicle fleets. eAuditor audits and inspections helps digitize logs, automate workflows, and improve visibility. It supports mobile inspections, real-time tracking, automated reports, dashboards, corrective actions, digital signatures, photo evidence, and certificate storage. Good logging depends on simple habits. Update logs immediately after work is completed, schedule preventive maintenance regularly, and store invoices, inspection reports, and repair records securely. Digital fleet management systems like eAuditor improve visibility, consistency, accountability, and operational efficiency, while also supporting faster reporting, better compliance tracking, easier audit preparation, and quicker corrective action management. A vehicle maintenance log helps you track service history, inspections, costs, safety checks, and supporting documents in one organized record. That structure improves reliability, safety, compliance, and cost control across fleet operations. When manual systems create gaps, digital tools can make maintenance tracking faster, clearer, and easier to manage.